Hello everyone, welcome back. Is your Vortex HD62 not working on or charging? Don't worry, watch this quick fix to get it working again. Fix 1. Check the back cover. Ensure the back cover is securely attached. Press down on all edges to ensure proper alignment. Fix 2. Inspect for dirt or grime. Examine the power and volume button for dirt. Clean around these buttons gently with a soft cloth or a small brush. Fix 3. Test the battery. Check the battery for physical damage. Look for signs of swelling or leakage. If possible, swap with a compatible battery from another device. Fix 4. Examine the charging port. Inspect the charging port for debris. Clean the port carefully using a non metallic tool like a toothpick or SIM card ejector. Fix 5. Test your charger. Use a charger with another device to check if it works. Try a different charger on your Vortex HD62 to rule out charger issues. Fix 6. Verify power source. Check if the outlet is working by plugging in another device. Make sure the outlet is operational and that connections are secure.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.